What we're launching is a £60 million programme whereby the government, through the Science Research Councils, will be putting money into high growth businesses linked to universities. 31 universities are involved. We're taking some of the ideas that come out of universities, and we have world-class universities in this country, and applying them in business so that jobs are being created and wealth is being created.
And this money will give people the opportunity to actually find the time and find the resources to be able to work together with people from industry, with people from academia, to make those ideas work.
It's a really exciting initiative. It provides a unique opportunity for us to get ourselves back up in the economic powerhouses of the world and to make a difference, which is what we in universities want to do for people, for our economy and for academics.
Any funding that helps make connections from one direction to the other, both from universities into practice and then vice versa, is going to facilitate a greater amount of really good application of research and science.
What we're increasingly realising is that wealth creation, business, depends on new ideas. Many of these new ideas come out of universities, but the jump between doing academic research and running a successful business is a difficult. So we call this the valley of death. It's difficult to get money out of banks and other investors, and so the government needs to help with that process, otherwise the businesses found it difficult to get running.
Once you've completed a piece of academic research, you often know something, you know how to do it, you might have been able to test it in a lab or show that it works, but there's a really big gap between doing that in a lab environment and getting it out there into the form that can be used and can be scaled and can be made available to people. And this sort of funding is the kind of thing that allows us to bridge that gap.
The hope is that Britain's world-class universities will provide a source of growth and stimulus to the British economy, because we have some very, very brainy people doing very, very clever things. And what we want to do is to turn that into jobs in the real economy.